This is a 15-year-old mini laptop. It has a screen size of only 10.1 inches with an Intel Atom processor and 2 GB of RAM. Here's a 15-inch MacBook in comparison. Today I'll install Damn Small Linux, testing the distro and its feature. But I'll also answer the classic question, will it run Doom? So this is the first video in a new 3-part series, where I'll try out 3 different lightweight distros: Damn Small Linux, Colibri OS and TinyCore Linux. But before we get started, here's a very quick recap of what we've done so far. I installed an SSD, upgraded the RAM, and painstakingly cleaned and repasted the CPU. Oh, and I've also tested a good handful of distros. Anyway, first we need to download the ISO. Damn Small Linux. The new DSL has been reborn as a compact Linux distro tailored for low-spec x86 computers. Perfect. Downloads. Guess we'll go with this one. Move that over to our Ventoy USB. Okay, let's plug it in and boot. I press F9 and select the USB. Damn Small Linux. Boot in normal mode. And we are in. Cool. Let's install. Oh, that's a lot of windows. Password? I don't have a password. Let's open the terminal and run who am I? Demo. Okay, maybe the password is just demo then. Yes. Checking USB. Fine. Let's get a Danish keyboard and next. Regular install using the entire disk. Yes, a 500 GB SSD should be sufficient. Right? Computer name, Foci. Login name, Foci. Now can you guess my password? Okay, it's installing. And it is done. Finish. Grub. Good. Damn Small Linux. And we are in again. This is a nice widget. And we're only using about 75 megabytes of the RAM. Nice. Okay, let's first run sudo apt update and upgrade. 10 minutes later, okay. Let's set the computer clock right, so we don't have any problems with the internet later. Sudo apt fast fetch. Unable to locate package. What about neofetch? Yeah, neofetch, there we go. Here we can see the glorious HP Mini 1100. What a powerhouse. Let's explore a bit. Control center, wallpaper. Oh, we just have these? I guess it's supposed to be damn small. Widget. There's a few options. Yeah, I'll stick with the Blackbird. Color. Icon theme. That's just this one. Cursor. Nothing to see here. Font. System. Network. Ooh, do we have Wi-Fi? No. Okay, no problem. Let's check out the pre-installed apps. Graphics. MT Paint. Office, AbiWord. Yeah, this runs fine. I've actually grown to like AbiWord. Numeric. Oh, it's just for spreadsheets. Cool. Do we have an app for the webcam? Nope. Okay, let's just install GooksView then. Sudo apt install GooksView. Oh, hello. Let's try some games. Space Invaders? Oh, it's just in the terminal. That's pretty cool. Pac-Man? I will get through this level. Nice. Easy, no contest. Tetris? Wow, I really suck at this. That's pretty disappointing considering just how much time I wasted in high school playing it on Facebook in class. Alright, let's open a browser. Oh, there's a light version. It loads pretty fast. Wikipedia, chimpanzee. There it is. That was surprisingly fast. YouTube? Yeah, not so fast. Let's try the regular browser. YouTube? Okay, it's been 4 minutes and I think we should just move on. I know that a lighter browser would be better, and I have tried that in my other videos. I'd probably just get the same performance here. Let's finally run Doom. Sudo apt install chocolate Doom freedom. Okay, it loads, nice. Skill level, Extreme Carnage. Wait, I just realized there's no sound. Elsa Mixer? Oh, it's muted. That's weird. Okay, let's try again, and we've got sound. Nice. Options, sound, let's turn that up. Skill level, Mayhem. This is so smooth. I mean, that's probably to be expected, but great nonetheless. Right, conclusion. So Damn Small Linux is pretty cool. It runs quite smoothly on the mini PC, and it uses very little RAM. That said, I think the performance is just very close to the other distros that I've tried so far. And I still think that Poppy Linux and LugOS were the distros that have performed the best. But, as always, if you have any ideas of what I should do with this glorified pile of e-waste, please let me know. I really enjoy experimenting. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And as mentioned, I'll try out TinyCore Linux and Colibri OS next. They are probably the lightest distros, period. I mean, of all the distros in the world. The core version of TinyCore was only 23 megabytes, and Colibri is also quite small. I did actually test both of them yesterday, and they seem promising. Although I can't get the internet to work on TinyCore, in either version actually. It's pretty weird as I just use a wired Ethernet connection. I'm looking very much forward to trying Colibri OS, as it has a really cool look and comes pre-installed with a handful of games. It's just very 2000s in its look, which I enjoy. By the way, I do read all comments and try to reply to most as well. But if you want to get in touch with me, or talk to fellow members of our small growing community, consider joining the Foci Discord server. We have a really chill and cozy vibe in there. Also a huge thanks to Zeus and Maple, as well as the other members of the channel. Your support means a whole lot. Seriously, thanks. You too can become a member of the channel, if it's financially responsible of you. Right now there are 2 tiers with different perks, but in addition to those, all members are invited to join a VIP channel on the Discord. Okay, bye.